What's going on, everybody? So if you've recently updated your Linux system and you're using KDE Plasma, you may run into this screen locker error where your screen locker no longer works and you're prompted to go into your virtual terminal to unlock your session before returning back to your regular desktop environment. So while this error does give you step-by-step instructions on how to fix this, what I have found in my case whenever I recently updated my system is that even after following these steps, I continued to get this error even while nothing was running, even while I wasn't in the terminal updating the system any further. What I had to do to fix this, if you're continuously receiving this error, what I had to do is I actually had to go into the virtual terminal and I had to run the remainder of my system update, and after completing the rest of the system update, I was able to restart my system and it would booted back into the desktop environment without running into this error, and now my screen locker works just fine. So if you are continuously receiving the same error, and like whenever you go into your regular terminal, if you can't continue to update the rest of your system without receiving this error over and over and over again, try going into your virtual terminal and completing the rest of the system update and see if that fixes it for you. Alright, that's it for this one. Take care.